Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today at Cherokee Lockpicking. Today I'm going to be trying out some new equipment that I have in hopes that the sound and everything is doing better. I might as well be picking a lock if I'm going to do that, so I am going to attempt to open this American lock right there, and it says US on the back. It's a 5200 series. It's a nice heavy lock. Yeah, let's see if we can get this open. Well, right now it looks clear as a bell outside, and we're expecting a hellacious storm, possibly up to 18 inches where I'm at, and a little farther up the rim they're expecting 30. I'm like, oh my gosh, they're gonna have to dig me out of here. But you know what? I can't think of anywhere else I'd want to be snowed in. Absolutely love this place. But I keep telling you that. Okay, I might as well take it apart and see what's in here, huh? Opened up easier than it ever has, so I don't know. It's supposed to work out that way, I guess. I think that's turning in there. Yeah, it's getting loose. I can see it. Yeah, okay, let's get, oops. Sorry about that, guys, if you had on some ear gear. Everything's falling out of it. It's okay. Now, doesn't even look like it has any protection in there. Doesn't. Wonder if these can be bypassed. To check that out. Sure, a pretty lock. Okay, see about getting this open. It does have a clip on there. I am going to go ahead and close it up. Oh, I forgot to show the key to you. There's the key. It's a 5-pin. It's so short, doesn't even look like it could be, but that's pretty wild. I didn't get out my other tools. See if this will get it off of there. Well, no wonder I have no fingernails, huh? Boy. I put a big old gash in it. My hands don't look too good anyway. Hands of a locksmith. Okay. Let's open this guy up. You know what? I'm going to use one of these guys. Just because I can get a hold of it. And that one's no good. Throw that one away. This one looks pretty good. One end of it does. And Bear's back sent me a whole package of them. God bless him. What a sweet guy. Okay, let's get this thing opened up. See what's in here. And this is just the stock locks, of course, so we're not expecting, we're just expecting American stuff. Who knows what that is, huh? see if I can get this done fairly quickly. So you guys can get on to watching other videos. Mine frame, I hope so. Okay. Of course, the core's just standard. So I'm not gonna mess with that. Now, let's see if we can get these out without making a big mess of it. Wow, okay. So I'm going to start back here. Better get some tweezers. Okay. What have we got so far? Serrated in 1 and a spool in 2. Spool in 3. Spool in 4. And a serrated in 5. Now, let's see here. I'm gonna get out these springs and take a peek at those. Yeah, all little bitty guys, aren't they? So there we go. Now, put this right here. Okay. American lock 5200. Let me pull these pins up on the side here. And I'm going to try zooming in on those. And this lock's in the way. Let's turn this around so I can see what I'm doing. Am I making you sick yet? Okay. So like I said, we got serrated in number 1 and spools in 2, 3, and 4 and a serrated in 5. Those are nicely deep serrations, it looks like. And all the key pins have serrations on top. So there you go. Thank you for joining me. I hope that this video turns out a little better speaker wise, and we'll see what happens. Thank you for joining me. Bye bye.